Shut up. We're having birdie adventures. Birdie adventures. Wait, I don't think this is gonna work right here. Alright, well, I'm gonna eat some beans before I go to bed. Okay, now, does this work?
I need a big one.
To have babies? Oh my god. I'm just kidding. Okay, I need like a pillar. I need a pillar. Okay, just to let you know, guys, this is Beanie Baby Adventure. Stop. You're not scaring us. Okay.
You're the spotlight, dude.
So, starring today is this rooster. Aw, look at my feet. No, look at my feet.
I'll do spotlight, dude.
Okay, this is spotlight. Put it like right here. And Mr. Duck. Hey, bro. I think you're retarded. Well, I'm not. Well, gonna eat you. Oh, Ducky, fly away! And that chicken was getting stalked by this duck.
Whoa.
Dead.
Fall.
Dead.
Okay.
Dead.
Do you want to go take a nap now? Yeah, Bernie said she needs to take a nap after her.
Done.
We're going.